The market is getting overbought into today's Sensex expiry. Here's the best way to play it. Let me share my screen and start the analysis. So like we can see, Nifty has rallied sharply all the way up to 24,600 and around twice it's taken selling from this level. So this level is going to be a resistance, and over here there was a strong buying candle. So this level is going to be a support. So there's close to a 200 point range to trade in. But see today on Sensex expiry, they'll not even give you 100 points for the whole premium, but adjusted for Sensex. So now let's look at the option chain. So we can see that people were doing call buying and put selling going into this market. So they are still very bullish on the market. But like I said, if you see the open interest, the 24,600 is a huge open interest. It's actually the highest on the chain, 1,21,000 contracts open. So until that level gets taken out, I would not be bullish. Now let's look at individual stocks. The first stock on our radar is UPL. So we can see this has been flagged because it was bearish and it's got really, really oversold. So now we're expecting it to take support around 557. So around 557 levels would be an interesting entry point for people who are value investors for this stock. And conversely, you can enter over here and we can get out somewhere at 600. So there's an easy 10% chance you can make over here. Another stock we want to look at is actually a negative short idea called LIC. So again, we can see it's bearish and it has done what we were suggesting. It broke down, it took support, it bounced. Now it's again within here and it should break down further from here if it breaks 386. So our trigger for an entry is 386. And if it breaks down, it can easily go to 360, 350 levels over here. So overall, our final plan for today is for Nifty and Sensex. Like, let's just exactly see the levels of Sensex as well. Yeah, so for Sensex, the exact levels are your resistance is at 79,000 and your support is, why is this candle so different? One second. Hmm, interesting. So this level, so for Sensex, the levels will be around 79,000 and 78,000. So it's about 1,000 point range. So unless, and I'm pretty sure the premiums you'll be getting will be maximum 300-400 points or even less. So overall, the bias is, as per our signals, is mixed. It's bullish, obviously, because it's above this line, but we think it's going to be a weak or ranging market, and you should play for it accordingly. That was all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.